Have you ever wondered if everything you know about climate change is only half the story? What if the facts you've been told hide a shocking twist? Today on Eco-Era, we're diving into 25 controversial climate change facts that challenge the mainstream narrative. Over the next 10 to 15 minutes, you'll discover mind-blowing ideas, from cosmic influences to deep ocean secrets that are stirring fierce debates among scientists and policymakers. So, if you're ready to have your mind blown, make sure you hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to Eco-Era for more eye-opening content. Before we jump in, I want you to know that every fact we reveal today is designed to spark conversation and inspire you to question what you think you know about our planet. Now, let's get started. Fact number 1, climate change causes and consequences. Did you know that some researchers propose that variations in cosmic ray flux, those invisible particles streaming in from deep space, might actually influence the formation of clouds? Imagine that. The very weather we experience on Earth could be partially orchestrated by cosmic events. This controversial idea challenges the common notion that greenhouse gases are the sole drivers of our climate. Could it be that space weather is secretly dictating our weather patterns? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Stick around because later we'll reveal a bonus twist about how this cosmic connection might alter our future climate predictions. And don't forget, if this fact shocks you, hit that like button and share this video with your friends. Fact number 2, impact of climate change. A faction of scientists suggests that natural ocean oscillations, like the mysterious Atlantic multi-decadal oscillation, might be responsible for far more temperature variability than human-induced emissions alone. Picture the ocean as a giant rhythmic heartbeat, its natural pulses challenging the predictable patterns we've come to expect from climate models. Is this nature's hidden rhythm rewriting the story of global warming? It's a perspective that has experts divided. Drop a comment if you think nature might have more influence than we credit. And if you're loving these revelations, remember to subscribe to Eco-Era so you never miss an update on the latest climate debates. Fact 3. Climate change causes and consequences. Let's talk about the sun. Its energy output isn't constant. Solar irradiance can fluctuate, and some researchers believe these changes might explain long-term climate trends independent of human influence. Could our very own star be rewriting Earth's climate story? This controversial idea casts the sun as a secret influencer, challenging the exclusive focus on greenhouse gases. How does that change your view of climate change? If this solar secret excites you, hit that like button and share your thoughts below. And make sure you subscribe to Eco-Era for more unexpected climate insights. Fact 4, impact of climate change. What about volcanoes? Even minor volcanic eruptions have been proposed as triggers for temporary cooling periods, adding a fiery twist to the warming narrative. This idea suggests that the heat from volcanic eruptions could momentarily counterbalance greenhouse gases, complicating our understanding of long-term temperature trends. How significant do you think these volcanic cooldowns are in the grand scheme of climate change? Remember to share this video if you think volcanoes might be nature's secret air conditioners, and subscribe to Eco-Era for more groundbreaking facts. Fact 5, climate change causes and consequences. Some experts argue that changes in land use, like deforestation and urban sprawl, can drive local climate shifts, sometimes even more than global carbon emissions. Imagine your city or farm not just being a part of the climate story, but actively reshaping local weather patterns. Are our daily environments secretly influencing the climate far more than we realize? If you're surprised by this connection, let us know in the comments and hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to Eco-Era for more deep dives into the unexpected aspects of climate change. Fact 6. Impact of climate change. The potential for thawing permafrost to release vast amounts of methane, a powerful greenhouse gas, has been a major concern. Yet some researchers argue that the feedback effects from this process might be less severe than predicted. Is the threat of runaway warming overblown, or are we on the brink of a methane-fueled climate crisis? The debate rages on. If this fact got your heart racing, smash that like button and share this video. Subscribe to Eco-Era to stay updated on the latest scientific debates. Fact 7. Climate change causes and consequences. Extreme weather events are becoming more frequent and intense. But here's the twist. Some experts argue that these events are not solely driven by human activity. Natural variability may also be at play. What truly sets off these extreme events? Is it the man-made factor, nature's unpredictable mood, or a complex interplay of both? This is one debate that leaves us with more questions than answers. Let me know in the comments which factor you believe is more influential. And if you're passionate about the truth behind extreme weather, like and subscribe to Eco-Era. Fact 8. Impact of climate change. Critics of current climate models argue that we might be overestimating warming because these models don't fully account for negative feedback loops within the climate system. Are our projections painting a bleaker picture than reality? This controversial notion challenges the very foundations of our climate forecasts. What if our models are missing key natural counterbalances? If this idea makes you question the status quo, hit that like button and join the discussion in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Eco-Era for more insightful debates. Fact 9. Climate change causes and consequences. Aerosols, those microscopic particles in our atmosphere, are a double-edged sword. They can both cool the planet by reflecting sunlight and warm it by absorbing heat. Some researchers even argue that industrial aerosols might offset some of the warming caused by greenhouse gases. It's a balancing act that adds layers of complexity to our understanding of climate change. How much influence do you think these tiny particles have? If you find this balancing act as fascinating as we do, give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends, and make sure you subscribe to Eco-Era for more in-depth explorations. Fact 10. Impact of climate change. Here's a twist. As polar ice caps melt rapidly, some scientists warn that this could trigger unexpected changes in ocean circulation. In a paradoxical turn, these changes might even lead to rapid regional cooling. Even while global temperatures continue to rise, could our icy poles be hiding a secret cooling mechanism? This paradox challenges everything we thought we knew about warming trends. Sound off in the comments. Do you think melting ice could cool some regions? And if you're intrigued, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Eco-Era. Fact 11. Climate change causes and consequences. Some skeptics argue that historical temperature records might be skewed by factors like urban heat islands and adjustments in measurement techniques. Are our thermometers truly capturing the planet's pulse, or are we misled by data anomalies? This controversy urges us to question the reliability of our temperature records. Share your thoughts in the comments if you believe our instruments might be playing tricks on us. And be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Eco-Era for more critical insights. Fact 12. Impact of climate change. Some critics contend that many policy decisions are based on climate models riddled with uncertainties. They argue that the socio-economic impacts of climate change may be overstated, leading to policies that don't match the reality. Are we overreacting to models that aren't as precise as we'd like to believe? This is a debate that challenges not just science, but the very policies shaping our future. If you think our policies need a reality check, hit that like button and join the conversation below, and subscribe to Eco-Era for more thought-provoking discussions. Fact 13. Climate change causes and consequences. There's an intriguing theory that forests might be doing more than just absorbing carbon. They could also be cooling the planet. By emitting biogenic volatile organic compounds, forests might partially offset greenhouse warming. Imagine nature working as its own air conditioner. This idea, while still debated, could change how we view the role of our green spaces in climate regulation. If you love the idea of nature fighting back, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Eco-Era for more eco-friendly revelations. Fact 14. Impact of climate change. Ocean acidification is often painted as a dire threat to marine ecosystems, yet some researchers argue that marine life may be more adaptable than we fear. Could it be that our oceans have hidden resilience, enabling some species to thrive even under acidic conditions? This perspective challenges the most alarmist scenarios and reminds us that nature can be surprisingly robust. Let me know your thoughts on ocean resilience in the comments. And if you're enjoying these deep dives, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Eco-Era. Fact 15. Climate change causes and consequences. The Earth's climate system is a complex dance of interactions. Some feedback mechanisms, such as the interplay between land and atmosphere, are argued by some to either amplify or mitigate climate shifts. But the evidence is mixed, leaving us with more questions than answers. What if our understanding of these feedback loops is just scratching the surface of a much deeper puzzle? If this intricate dance fascinates you, hit that like button, share your theories in the comments, and subscribe to Eco-Era for more unraveling of nature's mysteries. To Fact 16, impact of climate change. Urban areas often register significantly higher temperatures than their rural surroundings, a phenomenon known as the urban heat island effect. This localized warming can distort broader climate trends. Are our cities inadvertently turning up the heat? And what does that mean for our understanding of global warming? The debate is as heated as the cities themselves. Join the conversation in the comments. Do you think urban heat islands skew our data? And if you agree, like this video, share it widely, and subscribe to Eco-Era for more engaging content. Fact 17. Climate change causes and consequences. Some experts propose that large amounts of heat are being absorbed and stored in the deep oceans, effectively masking the full extent of surface warming. What if the true measure of our planet's heat is hidden beneath the waves? This concept could radically alter our predictions for future warming and climate impacts. If you think the ocean holds secrets we have yet to uncover, hit that like button and share your thoughts. And be sure to subscribe to Eco-Era for more revolutionary insights. Fact 18. Impact of climate change. There's a growing discussion among economists and ecologists about how changing agricultural practices and crop distributions might actually mitigate some of the negative impacts of climate change. Imagine our farms not just as food producers, but as active players in climate adaptation. Could innovative agriculture be the key to a more resilient future? If this vision of adaptive farming inspires you, let us know in the comments. And remember to like, share, and subscribe to Eco-Era for more sustainable solutions. Fact 19. Climate change causes and consequences. The debate over melting permafrost is heating up, quite literally. While some scientists warn of massive carbon releases that could drive a runaway warming effect, others suggest that the process may be less catastrophic than feared. Is this ticking time bomb a crisis in the making or an overblown worry? The answer isn't clear-cut. Share your opinion in the comments, and if you're as intrigued as I am, smash that like button and subscribe to Eco-Era for more in-depth analyses. Fact 20. Impact of climate change. Some argue that the societal consequences of climate change are exaggerated, claiming that our capacity to adapt is underestimated. Are we overreacting to a perceived crisis, or is there genuine danger ahead? This is not just a scientific debate, but one that touches every part of our society. Sound off in the comments. Do you think our fears are justified? And if you're passionate about this debate, hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to Eco-Era. Fact 21. Climate change causes and consequences. Some controversial arguments draw parallels between today's warming trends and natural climate shifts driven by Earth's orbital variations. This perspective suggests that natural factors may still play a larger role in our climate than many admit. How much of our warming is really man-made versus a natural echo from the past? If you think history holds clues to our climate future, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Eco-Era for more historical insights. Fact 22. Impact of climate change. Could it be that some of the temperature changes we observe are partly due to measurement biases, such as urban heat islands, rather than solely human-caused emissions? This debate invites us to re-examine the data and question if our instruments are truly reading the planet's pulse accurately. Drop your thoughts below if you believe our measurements might be skewed. And if you enjoyed this segment, hit that like button and subscribe to Eco-Era for more data-driven debates. Fact 23. Climate change causes and consequences. The potential for complex feedback loops between climate change and biodiversity loss is another fiercely debated topic. Some argue that as species vanish, the resulting disruption in ecosystem functions might further amplify warming or even dampen it. Could the loss of biodiversity be a hidden accelerator in our climate crisis? Let's get the conversation started. What role do you think biodiversity plays in our climate? Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to Eco-Era for more explorations into nature's mysteries. Fact 24. Impact of climate change. Geoengineering has emerged as a wildcard, a potential method to counteract warming by deliberately altering the climate. But with its promise comes a host of risks and uncertainties. Opponents warn that tinkering with Earth's systems could trigger unforeseen side effects that might even worsen the situation. Is geoengineering our saving grace or a recipe for disaster? If you're fascinated by the risks and rewards of geoengineering, smash that like button, share this video, and subscribe to Eco-Era for more daring discussions. And finally, fact 25, climate change causes and consequences. An alternative view suggests that variations in Earth's albedo, the way our planet reflects sunlight due to shifts in cloud cover and snow extent, could be playing a larger role in shaping our climate than we typically acknowledge. This subtle interplay of light and shadow is yet another piece in the complex puzzle of climate change, sparking fierce controversy among experts. Before we wrap up, I want you to think about how even the smallest change in reflectivity can have huge effects on our climate. Share your thoughts below, and if you haven't already, hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to Eco-Era for more mind-blowing content. There you have it, 25 controversial, lesser-known facts that challenge everything we thought we knew about climate change. From cosmic rays to deep ocean heat, volcanic eruptions to urban heat islands, each fact is a fascinating piece of a puzzle that scientists are still trying to solve. Remember, these ideas are not settled science, but they fuel the vibrant debates that drive research and innovation. Which of these facts blew your mind the most? Do you think nature's hidden forces are undermining our mainstream climate narratives? Or is the greenhouse gas story still the complete picture? I want to hear from you. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video as eye-opening as I did, please hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to Eco-Era for more deep dives into the mysteries of our planet. Remember to click the bell icon so you never miss a new upload. As a quick recap, cosmic rays might influence cloud formation, natural ocean oscillations could rival human impact, solar fluctuations, volcanic eruptions, and urban effects all add intriguing layers to the climate puzzle. Each element is part of a larger dynamic story that we're just beginning to understand. Remember that mystery box we teased at the start? The real secret is that science thrives on debate and curiosity. The more questions we ask, the closer we get to the truth. And perhaps tomorrow one of these controversial ideas will spark a breakthrough that reshapes our future. Thanks for watching. And until next time, keep questioning, stay curious, and never stop exploring the unknown. Join our Eco-Era community and be part of the conversation.